got this one. Okay, let me measure that real quick. That's my slave. Okay, so this one is going to be 17. I'm gonna say 17 is a good number for that first one. So 4 inches. And then this one will come out just past this. Okay. So that's fine. I'll just remember that. It's about 1 inch. Okay, so then this one, we're just gonna go. Oh, Jesus. There really is nothing easy about this. Being this tall. I'm gonna cramp in my side. I'm gonna say this one's like 19 and a half. Okay. 19 and a half, all right. Okay. This only has to be 1 inch. I know it looks longer in the picture. Yeah. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, that's what I need to do. Let's give it a shot. Let's pull it out without getting a blood blister. Oh, this would be great if this works. It really would be. I do feel like I'm missing something though, forgetting something. Boy, that's a good fit. What the fuck?
You took the bolt out.
Oh, Jesus. There it went. Something was wedged good. Oh, come on. Okay. Whew. All right. Let's do this. Oh, got our heim joint as well. Oh, this is exciting. Shit's happening. Shit is moving today. If I can get this plumbed real quick, fuck, Katie. God damn.
What does the heim joint do?
It connects to the master, to this linkage right here.
And is it almost like a bearing in the sense that it allows two things to kind of twist in different angles?
Yeah, allows it to move. Yeah.
For lack of a more technical way to describe it.
Yeah, it just kind of gives it really nice fluid motion. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, I just gotta adjust that one out. Okay. Because I want them to be the same. You know what I mean?
The pedals.
Yeah. So that's all that one has. So let me get a nut and a bolt. Put that in. I'll come out and over and down. Yes. All right, I'm gonna tighten that, put it in there, see what that does for me. See if it works okay before I do the second one. See if I can get another blood blister too to match the other one. Okay? Wow. Yeah, it's good. We're good to go. It's fucking great, actually. Okay. So then I'll just get one of these.
Ah, yes, I know what that is. 'Cause you have those on fire.
Without a T. You know, it'll just go straight through. And then I'll just hook up to this one and go out the car.
Yep.
And it'll be perfect. Okay? So that one's ready. Shit, where did that go? You'll be kidding me.